Hey guys. Yeah, I have this little pitbull here. He's so cute. And he's trying to bite me. Ow! 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 No, doggy, stop! Doggy, stop it! Ow! Stop it! Stop it! Stop! Ow! Doggy, come here. As you can see, it's a pit bull. And it bites really hard. Oh, you can see a little cut. Ow. It bites hard.
Oh, you meant to control.
Yeah.
Yes.
Ah.
Hey, where's my pen?
Ow. Ow. Ah. What a dummy. But he's cute though. What are you doing, my chancla? Don't touch my chancla, puppy. Don't touch my chancla.
This is my lunch.
No, not the earphones. Not the earphones. Daddy's gonna get mad.
You just
Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? No, he left me.
Hey, do you want to
Well, he left. Guess that's it. No more hand bites for me. He bit me. Look at it. Ow. 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 I'm playing this bender. Oh, I got my chunk right here. Where's my other one? Oh, here it is. Got my awesome socks. And that's it for Give It